A major security scare unfolded on the outskirts of Bengaluru on Sunday morning, hours before Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the Art of Living Foundation campus on Kanakapura Road. Two gelatin sticks were found near Kuppareddy Kere, close to Thathaguni Estate, along the Prime Minister's Convoy route. The explosives were discovered near a compound wall on National Highway 948, about 2 kilometres from the campus and around 20 to 25 feet away from the main road. The discovery was made nearly 1.5 hours before the convoy was scheduled to pass. Police said a constable on special duty first noticed a suspicious packet by the roadside and immediately alerted senior officers after finding the gelatin sticks inside. Anti-sabotage teams rushed to the spot and seized the explosives. A case has been registered under the Explosives Act at Kaggalipura police station. Deputy Inspector General S. Girish said special teams have been formed to investigate the case and identify those responsible. He also praised the constable for alertness. Officials said there was no immediate risk of explosion as no detonator was found. However, investigators are probing whether the material was placed to create panic or target the Art of Living Foundation area. Bengaluru South Superintendent of Police R. Srinivas Gowda said that packet was found between 9:45 am to 10 am, about 1 kilometre from the NICE road junction, and contained 2 gelatin sticks. Meanwhile, Bengaluru Police also confirmed a separate hoax bomb threat call claiming blast at HAL Airport and the Art of Living campus. A 42-year-old man named Lohit, a former IT employee from Koramangala, was detained at a bus stop on Banarkata Road. The call was made at around 7:30 am to the control room, triggering a quick search operation. Police said preliminary investigations suggest the accused may be mentally disturbed, but confirmed he has no link to the gelatin sticks found near the convoy route. A separate case has been registered at Koramangala police station and further investigation is ongoing. So, dear viewers, if you find any suspicious activity or anything unusual, please contact the nearest police station immediately. So stay safe and be a responsible citizen. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.